Hey Mom, so we know you're sitting at home and you have a lot of time. This is Miss Ella, our dance captain, and Miss Davita, and they are going to help you practice while you have all this time a smoky competition eye for our competition girls. So turn to the side, Davita. Awesome. It'll look like that when you get done, and Miss Ella is going to finish off Miss Davita's eyes and show you how it is done.
So to start off, I am going to do contour, which I use just a Morphe palette, so it's just the top shade right there because her skin tone is obviously very light. And I'm just going to basically make a 3 on her face, so it's like the jawline, the cheekbone, and the forehead. This way. The most important thing is just to blend it out. If you're having doubts about if it's too dark or it's too harsh or something like that, just blend it out.
But for this dance, we do want more of that harsh, like
Yes.
dramatic look.
And then after you're done with that, go in with any blush that you have, it doesn't matter. And just go on her cheeks. Smile. Hold on, I gotta open this. Smile. And just kind of blend that into the contour, because we do not want any streaks or harsh lines on the blush, at least. And then I'm going to use a highlighter, and this just brightens up the cheeks so that it's not as dull. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush, a small brush, any brush that you have. I'm going to put that on the tip of the nose and the chin as well. And then we're going to start on the eyes. We're going to start with the eyebrows first. I'm just going to brush up her natural eyebrows because they're already really thick. And then go in with the eyeshadow. I did not appreciate that. I just picked a dark red color, and I used the Jeffree Star palette and the shade Calabasas, if you were wondering if you have this palette. And I'm going to use just any blending brush, tap off the excess, and go in the crease, the outer corner, and blend that all through. Make sure to bring it up near the tip of the eyebrow so that it gives a very dramatic pull to the eyebrow.
Can you turn this way a little bit, Davita, so you can see it? Close your eyes. Awesome.
And then just soften it up a little bit on the top so that it's not too harsh. Looks good. Then next I'm going to take a flat brush and any concealer that you have, or eyeshadow primer if you do have it. And I'm going to cut the crease, which don't be alarmed. It looks hard, but it's not that hard. Just practice, practice. Look up. And then look down. And I'm just going to create a line where her crease is and drag that out. And then make a wing on the outer corner to make it very dramatic and big. Doesn't have to be perfect.
Look this way,
Turn to
Davida.
the camera, yeah. And then I'm going to take a beauty blender and just like make sure it's not that wet so that the powder actually, or the eyeshadow actually sticks. And then I'm going to take a different flat brush and dip into any gold color that you have, just a regular shimmer. It doesn't have to be chunky glitter just yet. And I'm going to put that on the inner part of her eye and wherever we cut the crease on. Then after that, I'm going to take a chunky glitter, and this is just to make it pop more on stage. I'm going to take a chunky glitter from any palette you have and put it on the innermost part of the eyelid. And then here comes the tricky part. This is the eyeliner. I gotta find it.
Davida, like this way.
Where's my eyeliner? No, that's not it. Do you have your eyeliner? There it is. There it is. Found it. Okay, that was all. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line on the lash line, so just like draw a line wherever the lashes are. Just make sure that's all filled in first. And then kind of follow the same line as the concealer that you previously put, and just make it a little bit thicker. And it should be just slightly big. Yeah. And then I'm going to take a flat brush and dip into the blackest shade I've ever seen. A very dark, dark color, and I'm going to press that on the eyeliner and then kind of sweep up so that you're smoking it out a little bit, and then drag that all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm just going to blend that out. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of the same color eyeshadow that I put on top of her eyes, the same red color, and I'm going to use that underneath her eyes, so look up. And then I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to take, almost done, I'm going to take a little bit of highlighter, the same highlighter that you put on the cheeks, and put that on the inner corner of the eye. And the brow bone. And then you could just top it off with any mascara that you use, and that's a look.
Awesome. Look at the camera, Davina. Yay! We'll get more specific on our lips and what color we'll need for our lipstick at a different time, but this is something you can definitely practice during this extra time that we have right now.
I
miss you
a
guys.
red.
Putting a good red on there. It's gonna look real dramatic and awesome.
To go with the skirts.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Big smile. Yay! So moms, practice that. We'd love for you to send us the photos of your practice. Look. Awesome job, Miss Ella.
Bye.
See you guys soon.